AI is no longer just a futuristic idea, it's a real force that is rapidly changing the way people work in 2026. Across the United States, companies are adopting advanced AI tools to handle tasks that were once done by humans. From writing emails to analyzing data and even interacting with customers, AI is becoming faster, cheaper, and more efficient than ever before. This has created a major shift in the job market, leaving many people wondering whether their jobs are at risk. Tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini have made it possible for businesses to automate large parts of their operations. These tools can generate content, answer customer queries, and even assist in decision-making processes. As a result, companies are starting to rely less on human workers for repetitive tasks. This is especially true in industries where the work is predictable and doesn't require complex human judgment. Jobs such as data entry, customer support, basic content writing, telemarketing, and entry-level graphic design are among the most affected. These roles often involve routine tasks that can easily be learned and performed by AI systems. For example, customer service chatbots can now handle thousands of queries at the same time without any delays. They don't need breaks, they don't get tired, and they don't ask for higher salaries. From a business perspective, this makes AI an extremely attractive option. This shift has already started to impact workers across the United States. Many companies are reducing their workforce or slowing down hiring because AI can do the same work at a lower cost. For employees, this creates uncertainty and fear. The idea that a machine could replace years of experience is unsettling. However, it is important to understand that not all jobs are equally vulnerable. There are several roles that remain relatively safe, at least for now. Jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are much harder for AI to replace. Software developers, AI engineers, cybersecurity experts, and creative professionals such as filmmakers and designers still play a crucial role in the workforce. Similarly, skilled trades like electricians and plumbers require hands-on work and problem-solving abilities that AI cannot easily replicate. At the same time, AI is also creating new opportunities. As companies adopt these technologies, they need people who understand how to use and manage them. This has led to the rise of new job roles, such as prompt engineers, AI content creators, and automation specialists. These roles didn't even exist a few years ago, but they are now becoming increasingly important. People who learn how to work with AI instead of against it are likely to benefit the most from this shift. The key to staying relevant in this changing environment is adaptability. Relying solely on a traditional degree is no longer enough. The job market in 2026 rewards those who continuously learn and upgrade their skills. Learning how to use AI tools, understanding basic coding, improving digital skills, and focusing on practical knowledge can make a huge difference. The more value you can provide, the harder it becomes for AI to replace you. It is also important to change the way we think about AI. Instead of seeing it as a threat, it can be viewed as a powerful tool that can enhance productivity and open new doors. Many professionals are already using AI to improve their work, save time, and increase their income. For example, content creators are using AI to generate ideas, businesses are using it to analyze data faster, and developers are using it to write code more efficiently. The reality is that AI is not going away. It will continue to evolve and become even more advanced in the coming years. Ignoring this change is not an option. Those who resist it may find themselves struggling, while those who embrace it will have a clear advantage. The future belongs to people who are willing to learn, adapt, and grow with technology. In the end, the question is not whether AI will take over jobs. It already is. The real question is whether you are prepared for this change. If you stay updated, learn new skills, and use AI to your advantage, you can secure your place in the future. But if you choose to ignore it, the risk of being replaced becomes much higher. The choice is yours. Evolve with the technology or get left behind.